The intent of the government is very clear before us. We will not, in futility, engage in discussion and debate. We work out to demonstrate our disapproval and our complete sense of lack of confidence on the intent of the government.
Ki MLA sang Kongres akakat santerik nailur kelami Jyndat yang dorbar tauan gejela kumgadak ban persya ke jingbam yolat meneta yang kebede ke jingdawa ban wengkam sipor ya ki hek pulit ke badan keti ke balet kendra ke yang ubak Charles Stefil tangkiau akakat lai terik nailar mentang senam. Kini ki MLA po ke jingela mu Dr. Mukul Sangma kelami Jyndat ke yang dorbar kumgadak jo ke jing persya ke jingbam yo menetai halur ke nikamat ban bin pau ke jing persya ke jing tombor ke sarkar apo ke yang dorbar tauan. Hadian kini ki MLA ke Kongres kelami renti dengan kamera jo ke liang persya bat kelayat hapok kepelau jong ke yang dorbar tauan terengkat bat kebahala bat perta ban pendam jor ke sarkar MDA yang menteri rang bak kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma bat yu menteri korbar ri kejelau balak menrembui.
We demand justice. We demand justice. MD government. MD government. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand justice. MD government. We demand justice. Banyatai hato kadai bat kasyong hok ne em yangi bangin yak hana bangin yak keren bangin yak keli jing keli halor kajing don kam ban suspend yaki he sarkar baro kiba la don kti ha kata kerit kabakila le nakaliang ke sarkar ha katlai terik jong ubnai August nrei hadin bau speaker ulasya ingi bangin keren ya kane ke business la dep hep ya ka ha kata ke calendar kendet menen yo kasiti ba kawan kasiti na home minister jong ka sarkar banong baya kane ka kam suspension omla ban keren ha ka dorbar tauan namar kaya tengko bat kata ka kes lane kata ka jingto kit benia ka bakila seng da ka sarkar ngi ngau kum ka opposition ba ngi dei ka sur upat ba lada upat ba ulaki ulawin lakata benai lakata tayaw halor kane ka agenda ngisngau bang ngidon kam ban yo ya kata kalat ban ya kren bot ka sarkar ha ka dorbar tauan ka badai ka jaka ka babit ka babiang ya ginong ya lam bakin ya kren ya kano ko issue lam sha sho yingi laweng sendet ya kata ka item na ka calendar bat laong ba nom sha yingi ban kren ngisngau si ba menta kasngi ka ka private members day lani kasngi ka ba ka opposition ka ligyo ban wan lamadan ya ki issues ki baphet nrengi lahap ban no shiteng por ya ka jingshong jongi ha ka dorbar tauan menta kasngi bat ngilami no shabar bangin pertaslia shla persya ya ka ni ka sarkar persya ya ka jing thombor jong ka sarkar wat ya ka assembly ru haba u speaker ula sya ingi ban kren ya gani balai baka sarkar ka hapat sa kawai ka shiti sya u speaker ban ong wat sya kani kaladai sya ka jing thombor jong ka sarkar bat ngisngau balada ngim no ya ki kam ki badon kam ban ya kren mentakasngi kanlong ka babakla tingi protes ban ngi demand bed babaro kibalaya soy ka to ka shiti baki don kata ka jinget bahak on suspend ya kita ki he pulit ne ki he sarkar ki badon ti ha ka to ka red ka khatlai terik unai August baro kidi ban ya join lang ban ngi namar kila soy lang ban ong bangi ki khasi ki jentia ngi don rengkat bat kata ka jingdawa ban ha no kam shipor suspension kamut ba penduk ya kakam kumbajulong kiwi ki inquiries ka judehi ka badon kam ba kitu ki badon kti lani ki basya keno badon kti dei ban no iki se jengai dei ban pelat no iki nakakam kabakibat kenang bakata ka inquiry kan long kapatikna ngingi pantang ya kata nre ngiyo penban da kata ka jing thombor banum sya ingi ban penset iki sentur ki skor ki jongi ki khmat ki jongi ngimla kom kaseng ngi hapan yeng schem ban ngi hapan dawa na ka sarkar bakan ya thu ingi kinong rem ayu kita baphimla baphin ngap ya kita kijing kerpat kijongi kibangila shim ha kadorbar thauan ha kajaka thauan ha kajaka kabakentang reklem sya ini te kata kadai kadau bangila mi no na assembly shiteng por mantakasni bat ngin ngin e no yakikam ki badon kam ban yakren bat ngin sia pet kumno pat ngila ban te ya kata bat ban kren ki tu ki issues ki bangila thmu ban kren mantakasni.
Today, the opposition had to walk out from the house to demonstrate our anguish and our lack of confidence on the government, the MDA government. You will recall, with a sense of pride and satisfaction, today, unfortunately, all those hard work to restore peace and sustain peace, you have seen what is the prevailing situation in the state, across the state, whether it is in the state capital, whether it is in the district capitals, or whether it is in other parts of the state. The sense of insecurity prevailing, the whole instances of lawlessness, again reappearing in the state, threatening the hard-earned peace, which should have been sustained with a committed effort of the government. The irony is that the government of the day today do not have the priority set to address this most important concern, which revolves around the larger interests of the people, larger interests of the state. And today, as the opposition wanted, the response of the government and the correct stand of the government in order to instill confidence and trust amongst the citizens of the state, we found that the government was completely trying to stonewall such discussion, prevent such discussion in the August House. You will appreciate the fact that in our vibrant democracy, when we are in session, it is the best platform where the elected representatives are able to articulate the concerns of the people, the issues which is confronting our people on a daily basis, the issues which pose challenges towards our collective intent of joining hands in the whole story of progress and growth of the state. But as you saw today, as you witness, that the government is completely insensitive. They are probably not concerned about the need to understand the ground reality. They're completely disconnected from the ground reality as to what is happening on ground zero, and the outcome, the fallout is visible, palpable everywhere.